Hello guys, today I created a verified PayPal account within 5 minutes. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing the exact step-by-step method I use. So, without wasting much time, let's start. First, check the video description for a link to create the PayPal account. And the homepage should look like this. Click on the Sign Up for Free button on the homepage. On the newly loaded page, you'll see options to create personal account and business account. Select Business Account and continue. Over here, they are asking us to enter our legal first name, legal last name, email address, and a password which should contain 8 to 20 characters, upper and lower case letter, and a number or a symbol. Check the user agreement box after filling out the form and click Agree and Continue button to create your account. Now the account is created and needs activation to work fine, but I will be skipping this part for now and verify only the email. For us to be able to verify the email, we have to open our email service provider and check your inbox. PayPal will automatically send you an activation mail. Open it and click on Confirm Your Email button. Enter your password and log in to confirm the email successfully. As you can see, the email address is confirmed. Let's log in back and check. The email is now confirmed, and all that you have to do next is to verify the account with an ID. But I'm not going to cover that. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe and I will see you on my next video.